Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Studies Forever. Today let us study Standard 6 Mathematics Chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. In this chapter, exercise 1.2. See, already I have solved chapter 1 exercise 1.1 in my previous video. You can link up that into the playlist. So if you want to see, you can go through the playlist of this channel. So let us study today exercise 1.2. So what is there? See, I am referring Mathematics 6 part 1. In that chapter 1, from that exercise 1.2, that is first one. See, I am not going to write here the question, full question. Just I will read this question. So children, keep your textbook in front of you to refer the question here. So what is the question given? A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So listen here, just first you understand what the question is given here, children. Just a book exhibition was held in a school there. For how many days? For 4 days. 4 days the book exhibition was held in a school. The number of tickets sold. See, first day some tickets sold. Okay, first day, first one I am going to solve here. See, there what the number of tickets sold on first day. Write down there. Number of tickets sold at the counter on the first day. Number of tickets sold on the counter on first day. See, how many tickets are sold on the counter on first day? 1094. 1094. So same number of tickets sold on the counter on second day. So same number of tickets sold on the counter on third day. So children, while writing these statement sums, while solving the statement sum, be remember that is equal to should down of is equal to. See, is equal to should be on the same place there. So what is second day? Sold number of tickets 1812. Third day 2050. So be remember, write the number in unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place correctly, one after one. So number of tickets sold on the counter on fourth day, that equals to how many? 2751. 2751. But what we have to find out here? Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. All the 4 days. See here. Therefore, total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. All the 4 days. All the 4 days. See, total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. See, is equal to down is equal to, we have to write. So, we have to find out the total here. So, just place there plus. We have to add that one. So, add here 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So, 0. 0. To carry on 100 place. To carry on 0. 2 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 means you have to place unit here. Tens, you have to give the carry over there. Carry over. So, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So, here you see total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days are 7,707. 7,707. I hope children you understood this problem. Okay, second one we see. Shekhar is famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test match. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? See, in test match, here Shekhar, what the runs he scored here? So, write down here. Number of runs scored by Shekhar in a test match. How much run? 6,980. He wishes to complete. How many runs he wants to complete here? 10,000 runs. See, Shekhar wishes to complete. Write down. Shekhar wished to complete runs is equal to how many runs he wished to complete? 10,000 runs. 10,000 runs. But how many runs he scored? Number of runs scored in test match. Number of runs scored in test match. Test match by him. By him means here Shekhar. How many runs he scored here? 6,980. 6,000. See, you have to leave 10,000 place. 980. 6,980. So, what we have to find out here in the question given? How many more runs does he need? Therefore, number of more runs he needs. Number of more runs he needs. So, is equal to down is equal to only you write down. See, he needs means we have to minus here. Here we have to subtract this one. So write down there subtraction sign. We have to subtract. So 0 minus 0. 0 subtract 0 is what? 0 minus 0? 0. 0 minus 8 can't. So we have to borrow from the 100 place, 1000 and 10,000. Here in the 100 place 0 is there, 1000 0, so 10,000. Borrow from 10,000 place, 1 becomes 0. Here 10. It becomes 10. Again if we borrow here, it becomes 9. This becomes 10. Again borrowed 9. This totally 10. 10 minus 8, how much? 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. So, how many runs he needs more? Number of runs, more runs he needs is 3020. 3020 runs. Third one, in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Here you see, here two are there candidates. One is successful candidate, another one is rival, opponent. So the successful candidate, he won 5,77,500 votes. Registered, not won, registered for him. And the rival was secured 3,48,000. So who won here? Successful registered, successful candidate only won here, but how much margin? Let us see. So write down here, votes secured by, third one, votes secured by successful candidate. Successful candidate. How many votes secured by successful candidate? 5,77,600. 5,77,600. Then next, votes secured by rival. Rival means that opponent party, opponent candidate. Rival, how many? 3,48,700. 3,48,700. So here we have to see what we have to find out here. We have to find out the margin did the successful candidate win the election. What is the margin? Therefore, margin is equal to, we have to minus this. So write down subtraction sign there, minus margin. You see here, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 7 we cannot minus because 6 is smaller than 7. So borrow from here, 6 becomes 16, 7 becomes 6. 16 minus 7. See children, easy way of subtracting here is 16. So we don't have 16 fingers. So only 10 fingers we have. So 16 minus 7, how to subtract here? Just after 7, count till 16. After 7 you see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? Total is 9. 9. 6 minus 8 can't go. Again borrow. Sorry. If you borrow, this becomes 16. 7 becomes 6. 16 minus 8 easy. 8 8 16. That is 8. Remaining 8. So 6 minus 4. How much? 6 minus 4. 2. 5 minus 3. 2. That is 2,28,800. 2 lakh after 16 till 8. So here 5,77,000. Just a minute, children. 500 minus 2,28,900. Here you see, children, it's not 600 here, it is 500. 500, 500, 500, okay, not there, just got confused here. Here 5,77,500, not 600. Here 3,48,700. So 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. That is 2,28,800. What? Oats. I hope you understood this problem. Here I solved 3 problems here. Remaining problems we shall continue in the next video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do share, like and subscribe my channel.